Yes, these are the very important questions for your tomorrow's biochemistry examination, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, if you follow these pattern, if you follow these questions, means definitely in tomorrow's examination you will pass. Yes, assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Let's join pharmacy. Let's study. See here, these are the previous year question papers in the biochemistry. That is second semester B pharmacy. My dear brothers and sisters, I will upload the questions with the notes in the description as much as I possible. Okay, some left behind, like remaining 4 to 5, you have to prepare your own and start reading that. And one more thing, remember, by doing only this you can write your examination tomorrow easily you can pass. Got it? Without wasting the time, let's start. See here, these are the 4 question papers. 2021 is one, 2020, then 2020 supplementary, 19 one. Okay, final examination, June supplementary, and 2018 one. See here, my dears, these questions, long answer, short essays, and 2 marks questions. Okay, each the question paper contains long answer, short answers, and this video is for both for the supplementary as well as for the fresh candidates who are giving examination. Got it? Here, in 10 marks question, in 5 marks question, in my YouTube channel I have already uploaded like HMP pathway, not glucolysis, I have uploaded amino acid, urea cycle, everything there I uploaded. But here once again I want to explain you in short. See, in 10 marks question, probability of asking is describe urea cycle and explain the general reaction of amino acid. Very important question. This question was asked in the year 2021, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, urea cycle. And the factors affecting enzyme activity, you leave this, you don't worry about this, skip this question because it's lengthy question. It's no time to all to practice these all lengthy questions. Okay, just you have to practice the simple questions which can be go in our mind, because tomorrow is your examination. It's very difficult to practice everything, so leave that all, just practice simple. Then describe urea cycle, it's very easy, you can practice that urea cycle. Okay, urea cycle. Then describe biosynthesis of purine nucleotides, very important question. Maybe this question can be repeat in our examination. These are the 2 10 marks question you have to practice. One more, see here, explain urea cycle and deficiency symptoms of urea cyclic enzymes. Okay, some of the deficiency symptoms I uploaded in the description, you go and you can download from there. Then glycolysis, maybe in tomorrow's question paper this question can be asked, that is glycolysis. Okay, how the pathway of the glycolysis, and explain the various reaction involved in with the energetics. Glycolysis means this glucose get breakdown. Okay, breakdown of the glucose to form the at least the formation of the pyruvic acid and lactate is formed. Then explain the process of beta oxidation of fatty acids with energetic. Very important. See here, this beta oxidation of fatty acids, it is also very important question, repeated many times. Okay, and maybe asked in 5 marks as well as in 10 marks. Okay, very important question, beta oxidation of fatty acid. You do that much. Then one more with the 10 marks, that is here, glycolysis. One more time they ask, explain de novo biosynthesis of fatty acids. This is also question maybe asked in our examination. Okay, explain the de novo biosynthesis. De novo biosynthesis of fatty acid is different, then the process of beta oxidation of fatty acids is different. Okay, here also fatty acids, here also fatty acids. You don't think that these are the same questions, these are different. There we are using palmitic acid as an example. Here de novo biosynthesis I uploaded in the description, go and you can collect that. Then mention the types of RNA, explain the role in protein synthesis. If they are direct, what is protein synthesis, explain in detail, means you have to write the same. Types of RNA means you have to write the same. Transcription, translation. Okay, explain that all. Transcription process, where in the protein synthesis. Types of RNA means you have to write messenger RNA, tRNA, mRNA in a series. Got it? You have to explain that all. Here, these are the 10 marks. Let's move in 2019 what they ask. See a TCA cycle. Yes, TCA cycle also. TCA cycle having many names. Okay, that's the tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. three names with the same synonym, that is TCA cycle is, these three names are the same. Okay, they will, for the confusion, they will give in different name, but you remember TCA, Krebs cycle, citric acid, everything is same. Then biosynthesis of purine nucleotides, yes. Amino acid metabolism, yes, simple. Then de novo biosynthesis, I have told you, de novo biosynthesis of fatty acid. Then general reactions involved in the mechanism, yes, amino acid, that only, amino acid, metabolism of amino acid. I uploaded the video, you can go and watch that if you are interested, but there is no time, you can directly describe, you can directly take the notes from the description. Explain various reaction involved in the Krebs cycles. Here they ask Krebs cycle, in previous paper they asked which one, TCA cycle. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, these are the some 10 marks question. Now let's discuss about the important 5 marks question. See here, explain HMP pathway is one of the very important question. Already I had uploaded the video. And one more thing you remember, now it's no time to practice the structures. If you want to practice the structure, if you are having your brain capacity, you can practice, means no worry, you can practice. But my suggestion is just to practice. Now see, in HMP pathway many structures are there, just to practice 2 to 3 structures. Okay, 2 to 3 structures. Hexose monophosphate pathway, shunt pathway. Okay, just practice 2 to 3 to 4 structures simply. After that, remaining the flowchart structures, you can write the names, no problem. But you have to explain those names. Okay, you have to explain those names with the using of the enzymes, which enzyme is acted. Okay, which enzyme is acted to get the next product, you have to explain that, it's very important. Then catabolism of tyrosine, LUS, one more. Double helical structure of DNA, it is also very important, you study this double helical structures. Here, beta oxidation saturated fatty acids, they ask in 10 marks, sometimes also they can ask in 5 marks. Ketone bodies, yes, ketone bodies, formation and utilization of the ketone bodies, it is also a very important question. Then the disorders of lipid metabolism, electron transport chain, then gluconeogenesis and its significance, hormonal regulation of blood glucose level. Okay, write a note on hormonal regulation, how the hormone get regulated of blood glucose level, hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia, how the glucose get utilized by the brain cells or by human body. You have to, everything you have to explain that. Clear? Some questions with answers I have uploaded in the description, you can download from that, don't worry. Now let's move about the 5 marks, the next question paper. See here, explain the competitive inhibition with example. Very important question in enzymes. Okay, in enzyme it's the fixed question in your examination, that is explain the competitive inhibition with example. Okay, competitive inhibition, you have to remember one thing, don't directly explain the competitive inhibition. First to explain what are the enzymes, then you explain the inhibitory types. One is competitive, another one is non-competitive. Okay, competitive, non-competitive. Then you have to explain that competitive inhibition with detail and non-competitive inhibition in detail with some example. Okay, some allosteric inhibition is there, no? You can easily explain that. See one more time the repeated question. Hormonal regulation of blood glucose level. Catabolism of purine nucleotides, same. Semi-conservative mode of replication of DNA. Semi-conservative mode of replication of DNA I had uploaded in the description, you can go and watch. Synthesis and signification of adrenaline, how this adrenaline gets, and you can write the functions of the adrenaline. Many functions are there. It is used, it is adrenaline, it acts as a flight or fight hormone, you can write that. Okay, many significance, natural functions of this adrenaline are there. Okay, adrenaline, this adrenaline, it is the hormone secreted by adrenal gland, adrenaline and noradrenaline. And you can also explain with adrenaline, it is the regulation of the electrolyte balance. It will regulate the balance of your electrolytes. Okay, it helps in blood glucose, blood maintenance. You can write that all. Now next one more thing is, my dear brothers and my dear sisters, define coenzymes, give the structure and biological role of NAD and FAD. I had uploaded, you can practice this. Coenzymes, what are these coenzymes? Basically coenzymes, it is a non-protein part. Okay, they help for the enzymes, they will proceed these enzymes for the further reactions, for greater reactions, enzymatic activities, these coenzymes are used. Okay, this is the biological role plays. and in that some of the examples like FAD, NAD, ATP, these are the some. Okay, you have to explain that all. Different types of RNA, here see. And what are the substrate level phosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation? Fixed question. Explain genetic code, give it silent features. You have to explain some of the genetic codes and silent features. See here, genetic code in silent features, these questions is HAP question, human anatomy and physiology. Okay, simple it is. Total genetic codes you have to explain AUG, then AGG, GGG. Okay, the double type of genetic code, single type of genetic code, triple type of genetic code, 3 types of genetic codes are there. No, you have to explain some of the silent features. Don't write what is what. Now see, for the example they ask explain competitive inhibitor with example. You will write what is this competitive inhibition, then you will give one example. They will give 1 marks only. Okay, you explain lengthier competitive inhibition, explain with non-competitive, with examples, some more different examples. General concept you write. You don't leave the question paper. You don't leave your answer paper. Okay, just you read the question, you write whatever you want. In competitive inhibition, you know that it is the enzyme concept. You know whatever about the enzymes, you just write if you don't know this. Competitive inhibition. Competate in the name itself indicating it is competing. It is competing with the substrate. It is competing with the enzymes to bind with that substrate. Okay, this is the competitive inhibition. It will inhibit means what? Stopping the character of the enzyme. Stopping the character of that enzyme. Stop competitive inhibition. Inhibit. General concept you can write. Okay, general concept you can write. But don't leave your questions gap. You write whatever you want. Whatever you know about this concept, you write, but don't forget to skip that. Got it? And now next, let's move across the 5 marks question. See here, one more, competitive inhibition. Carbohydrates, classify them. Very important. You have to explain what are these carbohydrates, classify them. Monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Okay, then hormonal regulation, fixed question. Same repeated questions are there. See here, biological role of ATP, cyclic AMP, disorders of lipid metabolism, HMP shunt pathway and its significance, very important. Hexose monophosphate shunt pathway, okay, or pentose phosphate shunt pathway. Many names are there for this. And describe the double helical structure of DNA. Okay, very important. One more point you remember, for glycolysis it is also known as EMP pathway. Okay, glycolysis it is also known as EMP pathway. Okay, fix my saying this in your mind. EMP pathway, it is also known as glycolysis. HMP, helical structure, substrate level, this one. Give the IUB classification of enzymes with example. Okay, International Union of Botanical Classification. This enzyme, one committee is there to classify the enzyme. Okay, how they classified, you have to explain that. Transferases, oxidases, these are the some classification. Then urea cycles here. Deficiency of symptoms, different types of jaundice, then functions of electron transport chain, very important. Okay, and only one day you can easily pass by reading this, because these are not theoretical tricky questions. These are theoretical questions. By reading you can easily fix in your mind. Gluconeogenesis, define what is this. Okay, breakdown of glucose, formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate. Gluconeogenesis, formation of ketone bodies, yes, classification of amino acids, double helical structure of DNA, lipid metabolism, genetic code, so competitive inhibition, hormonal regulation. Very easy concept is all. You can easily score maximum marks by reading only this. Yes. Now let's discuss about the 2 marks question. 2 marks question, see, briefly I will tell you. If you score here in 20 marks, they won't give 10 marks for each question. You write 2 means you will get 16 marks from here. 16 from here, you can easily write 4 from here. Okay, 4 5s are 20 marks. You remove 5 marks from that. 5 marks from that. 16 plus 15, how many? 16 plus 15, 31 marks. You passed here only. You passed here by scoring 31 marks. These 2 marks are just extra for you. Means they grow your confidence. I will 110% pass in the examination. By clicking, how many 2 marks question? 10 questions are there. If you click 5 to 6 question, means 7 questions are very easy in 2 marks. 3 to 2 questions are just tricky. They are not difficult but tricky. By utilizing your brain in the examination hall, we can easily you can easily click that. But at that time, what happens, due to shortage of time, I know shortage of time, the examination hall, there will be, the mind is not working there. In a simple way, the mind is not working there, so you can easily score here 5 questions. Definitely you can get here 10 marks. 10 plus 31, 41 marks. Pass, no worry, passing pattern. Simple question: therapeutic effect of enzymes, application, then say tryptophan, glutamic acid, glycogen storage diseases, types of glycogen storage diseases, signification 5-hydroxytryptamine and noradrenaline. We have to give some of the importance. What is hyperbilirubinemia? Okay, bilirubinemia, hyper secretion of bilirubin, inhibitor and couples of electron transport chain, essential amino acids, gout, its inflammatory disease, deposition of which one? Crystals, ammonia, uric acid crystals. Yes, enzyme present in DNA replication, types of the enzymes you have to write. Okay, DNA transferases, DNA competitive and non-competitive inhibition. Simple 2 marks questions are very simple. Just you go across the 2 marks. See, these are the 2 marks question. You can take screenshot from that and you can browse from the Google also. You can easily get. And 2 marks question, these are very important. And one more, this very important, 4 differences between DNA and RNA. It's also very important. Then types of diabetes mellitus, type 1, type 2, phenylketonuria, define and classify jaundice. What is this jaundice? Very important. Then cofactors, examples, and coenzymes with examples. Remember that. And what is translation and transcription? Translation and transcription, very important. Okay, translation means formation of protein from mRNA. Translation means a conversion of a DNA into mRNA. Remember that, very important. And some of the essential fatty acids. Then essential fatty acid. Then you remember differences between this. Fixed question for you. Fixed question. Yeah, this is the same. Phenylketonuria. Functions of transfer RNA. Generally transfer means they will transfer their genetic codes, genetic materials to form the protein. These are the some general concept, general terms for you to pass in your examination. Easily you can pass. What is ketosis? Ketosis you have to explain. It's not repeated, but better to browse this and better to know the concept. What is this? If you know the concept means you can write easily. Concept is very, very important in this any exam. Concept is very important. Just you understand the concept, sit in the examination hall, just write what is in your mind. Don't think it will go right or wrong, they will give marks or not. Don't worry. You try your best. Okay, you try your best, then further leave to Allah. Okay, He will solve your all doubts. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, today's explanation, I think so you understand this all. My dear brothers and sisters, I am providing the same lectures like this and some of the important questions. I have already uploaded the 3rd semester B Pharmacy. Okay, first I have started with the pharmaceutical microbiology. I had uploaded already 1st unit and I am preparing for the 2nd unit. Okay, inshallah in upcoming days that will also be uploaded. So my request to you all, after your examination, go and watch those units with notes I am preparing. With the notes I had uploaded in the description also and in the video lectures also. The running notes, very important, simple notes those are. Okay, by practicing or by reading one time, I guarantee it 110% you can remember everything by just observing that notes. Such a simple notes I had prepared. Yes, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe my channel Let's Join Pharmacy. Turn the bell notification on for the further updates. Like, share, comment. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.